So my name is Zach from Jetboil, and this is how I make coffee. So first you're gonna wanna turn your stove on. I've already added some water here, so I'll place that on. And me personally, I don't like it to go to a raging boil for the coffee. I don't wanna burn my lips. So I just kind of watch the indicator. Usually the middle indicator will get like about halfway up to the orange, and then that's when I'll pour in the coffee and let it soak. And while your water's boiling, I like to put together my coffee press. So it's just 2 pieces right here. And then you're gonna wanna slip this part through the lid, and then you're gonna twist on this top. Perfect. So it looks like we're boiling here. I'll turn the heat off, pour the coffee, and then you'll let it soak for about 2 minutes. And then at that point, you'll press the coffee. And I just kind of eyeball it. All right, so now we're gonna get the coffee press in there, just a little bit. And then we put the lid on, just make sure it snaps. And then here we go. This is the exciting part. Slowly press. And that's how you make coffee.